Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the GFCI or breaker. This protects you and the electronics. Once power is off, remove the cabinet screws and open the access area so you can reach the control box. Use the multimeter to verify 0 voltage. Label each wire with tape and a marker before disconnecting. This ensures correct reconnection. Make sure the replacement panel matches the model and firmware, and keep screws and small parts organized in a tray. With everything labeled and verified, disconnect the connectors from the old control module one at a time, taking photos to confirm orientation. Once wires are free, remove the mounting screws and gently extract the module. Watch for zip ties or adhesive. Compare the new panel's pinout and housing to the old one to confirm compatibility. Position the new module, thread screws in by hand to avoid cross-threading, and reconnect wires following your labels and photos. Once connected, secure any strain reliefs and tidy cables. After reinstalling the panel, restore power and run the manufacturer's diagnostics to verify communication, sensors, jets, heater, and lights. Once tests pass, cut power again, reassemble the cabinet panels and fasten screws, and then restore power for a final operational check. If something fails, check fuses, confirm wiring continuity with the multimeter, and verify DIP switches or configuration settings match the hot tub model. If an error persists, consult the error code table. Make sure you don't leave any connectors loose before calling tech support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.